there a wee leak? I don't see any leaks, Stephen.
You have the... Will it hold up by itself?
No.
You have a pull.
There might be one over there. Taking the bonnet off today. Oh, taking the engine out, hopefully. There should be something over there, man. Really, goodness.
Not worth it.
Yeah. I just put it straight.
Well, go under here. Straight.
Bring it down like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
13s. Yeah, 13s. Yeah, I'll bet on it.
A fucking 11, you dick.
Oh.
I can't believe you did that.
Well, it's fine. Me saying about betting on it, that'll be cut out on the editing.
This wire.
Simple. I want to do some of it like properly.
Yeah, they're 8, so. Oh, it's not really jaggy in there. I'm just destroying my hand on it.
It's probably fine to pull out now. Sorted.
Oh, who is this? Oh.
See that front bar?
Uh-huh.
So I just simply bolted on.
Oh god, yeah, it's something retarded like that.
Oh, I'll just get those bolts.
It's like so simple.
Yeah.
That's what holds the radiator in. These are just plastic ones, you'll see.
Yeah.
Actually, they're like...
Yeah. Do you need to keep these? Or?
I'll keep them anyway. Put
No.
them in the... Yeah, in the towers. The towers.
Oh, yeah.
That's
Bit 11.
That's the radiator removed.
If that was cable tied in, that would actually be harder to remove if it was cable tied than those.
Alright, it's moving forward.
I know. That
I'm
was fine.
grasping it. How much is on the wheel? Anti-lash on the wheel.
Steel toe cap, so.
Where are they bolted off?
Getting the doors, I think. You take the doors off as well?
No. Mate, I wasn't going to take the wings off.
Was that?
I wasn't even going to take the wings off.
Yeah, better access if you're taking this coil off yourself.
Oh, Let's see. Oh, check Calvin.
Hold on. Give another one.
You know it's bad when your plastic guards are rusty.
Oh, look at that. Wing removal?
Simple. That sheet metal's perfect for food packing.
Oh, it's up there, isn't it?
This whole rod support and that come out pretty easily, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, what? Was it pen?
Yeah.
Did you have to take all the front stuff off to get the engine in?
Eh?
Did you have to take all the front stuff off to get it in the first place?
Yeah. It just makes life easier.
Yeah. Still have friends that I still run for
I'm not trying to go over it, but just go through it.
Haggard have their own workshop, but I feel. What's worse?
Got more space here.
It's cleaner as well.
Not workable space, though.
If Haggard guys are watching this is cleaner than the workshop.
Build off.
The front bits as well, these come off here.
Yeah. They're Are they 15s or something like that?
Yeah. Cable tie, because race car.
Aye, all the bolts put in there, so I don't want to be, when I'm bringing other cars that in here, driving over them. Well, yeah, probably spare bolts at least. Aye. That is enough.
I'm pretty sure it's 30.
It probably is a 13.
Yeah.
After these, I think that's it after these. I think. I can't remember.
Make sure everything for the radiator is disconnected.
I know, I mean for the front panel.
No, I'm meaning because isn't the radiator going to come off with it?
No.
Alright.
What the fuck is that?
What is that?
That's a Beamer as well.
No, it's not.
Beamer friends.
That's not allowing that.
It's like an X5 or something.
Fucking red arches.
That was horrible.
That was nice.
Shut the fuck up.
Me?
Yeah.
I saw a BMW X5 with the number plate X5. Like it was a
Was it Bob that was driving it?
I don't know.
Yeah,
Private.
you
I didn't.
you know the one I'm talking about, Grant? The X5 EWT or something?
Yeah.
I think. I don't know that.
Oh yeah.
You got the snip.
Hacksaw.
I know, let's put gum.
No, I'm fine, thanks.
Oh.
Should get a hacksaw. Oh no, let's go. I used some people off, by the way, is that okay?
What?
People off.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's nice, my hands.
I like some gum.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's nice to ask before you put the gloves on.
Oh, what's that? What is that?
It's a fake bit of gum. You can put into Wrigley's and get money.
Rick.
That's the name.
I know. It's such a stupid name.
I got poles in the car.
You know.
Nah. All these fans are going to be thinking you play the same song in your videos.
I do.
Get with the times, man.
Because that's
Get
what
with the
every
times.
YouTuber uses to get millions of pounds.
No, there's another one every YouTuber uses. I can't remember the name of the
Don't worry,
song.
it's coming on next.
You know the one I mean. You know the one I mean.
It's coming on next. Don't worry.
What do you like?
That song that's in every YouTube video ever. I don't even know the name of it. They don't understand how these things work.
It's got 2 buttons, Steve. It's not that difficult.
Yeah, but this is 21st century. There's no
What's holding it up?
screen. Nothing.
It's like cotton.
Yes. And what was that? Nothing?
Don't need to get a spade and dig some of that land out of the.
Some of the fog.
Oh, the glass. Owie.
glassy grass.
Right. That's that off. Never crash your car, kids.
Well, if you're going to crash it into a bog.
If you're going to do it right.
Yeah.
Don't do any half-arsed job.
Take as many fence posts out as you can.
Yeah, not like a smashed wing in a door, and then claim the car's written off. Like a proper
Like a proper dick.
proper job.
Oh.
Is that a snap-on ratchet with a tang socket?
No. Halford.
Oh, you can't do that.
I know.
Mismatching sockets and ratchets. Oof.
Use silver line to snap on.
Oof. Oh, don't say that.
You mean blueprint? Or what the fuck it is, but I bought a whole rack of deep sockets for like £8 delivered.
Amazon spec.
But fair enough though, you're not going to use these, you know what I mean? If I'm not using the same socket every day.
Yeah. It's like me, I got like water pump pliers and a spanner set for like £8 in total. And fairly decent. I've not used them yet, but
no point spending big money. Like sockets, I find sockets fine, cheap ones.
yeah. My half-inch socket set's like a cheap one Dad got, and it's like lasted me 8 years or so at least.
That's where he lives.
Yeah.
Oh, those came off so easy. When I did this the first time, right? I didn't disconnect all this stuff, so I had about that much room.
You should have done a video on that when you put it in.
Put it on the GoPro.
Yeah.
And then that my other camera decided to stop charging. It
Was
wouldn't
that the
take a
red
charge.
one?
Yeah.
You need to have like a no copyright playlist for YouTube.
I was trying to get Neil over to pull it out today, but and the tractor just sank.
No.
Tractor was too.
Just put it on some planks or something.
Oh, I still gotta go under this.
Oh.
Have fun with that.
What, to get like gearbox mounted?
Right, let's go get Stilson to cut the car now.
I was gonna say,
That's what Kenny suggested. He said just take it here and take it to the other side of it.
Oh, like
I've still
these,
gotta get rid of the shelf somehow. It needs to look like a car.
These JDM front cuts, whatever they're called.
you can get access.
Could we do that? Could we cut the roof off? Just for shits and
No.
gigs.
I
We're
would
gonna-
actually cut the tunnel.
We were gonna cut off the roof of the Swift and make it into a pickup.
Nah, poor Swift.
I would have.
Go up there, you fucker.
I was like this in the Polo. Just didn't care about it, just jacked it up wherever. My jacking points were so rusty that I just jacked it on the axle.
Now that is rough, Stephen.
No, it's not rough. It's ingenious. Oh wait, I better get in the front and...
Aye. Just in case.
I think it should be fine, because when you jacked up last time it stayed on that...
Underside of my car. Soles are straight.
Really?
Except there's a big look on the back.
But not the easiest one to learn in anyway.
No, it's a big heavy thing.
Oh, you fucker, I chose the wrong thing.
Have you not looked under there since you... It's the first time?
I thought it was an E12, so I was thinking of that end of the shaft.
Ah, right.
What is it then? 16?
All these famous scene kids are going to be laughing at us with our... Is it a free post ramp we've got? Another wheel's not jacked up.
Oh, you fucker, I can't get out. I don't want to fall in the mud. It's okay, bum didn't touch.
The worse than your bumper.
I know.
Wet clothes the rest of the day.
No drying off in this cold weather.
What drying off?
Exactly.
This is a shout out to Onion. Onion.
Onion board.
I'd really like that.
I'm alright, huh?
Alright.
A shout out to Dairy Milk for supplying the foods.
If you're watching this, sponsor. Yeah.
Yeah,
Where'd your Haribo go?
I finished them.
Ah, I wanted one. I didn't try one of your rainbow spaghetti.
Do you know?
No.
I finished the Haribo, the Jaffa Cakes, the Doritos.
Alright, chubby.
Yes, because I had to work at 7 o'clock this morning. I didn't have any lunch after that.
No.
I want to go early. I want to get drunk earlier.
Oh, you just follow my instructions, Stephen, boy.
Call me boy.
And I'll get you drunk, son.
I'm 10 months younger than you.
Alright, son.
Son. Oh no, wait, your dad down here, because he was parking the mum and kids bit in the co-op.
Yeah.
I have to call you dad. Put it in the bolts box.
I guess, yeah.
Lock those now.
Or, yeah. Forward.
The wheels are tipping.
What wheel?
On this side, they're tipping.
Nah, it's fine.
Which ones are tipping?
The passenger side, front.
No, that's fine, isn't it?
No, look at the back. It's just tipping.
I can't see it from there.
The only thing I can suggest to that, the only thing I can think of.
Oh, that worked mint. Absolutely golden. The salesman life's good.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, do you want the BMW gear?
Guys, just keep watching the car, huh?
Oh.
This is scaring me being under here.
You're alright for now.
The BMW gear on the same pattern as the Polo.
Yeah.
I've got the Swift gear on now.
That's German gearbox is for them.
The Swift works on the Polo. Even the gear
Swift still lives on. It still drives it, still runs it. It's a bit rotten now. Your hand.
Me?
Under there.
There's not really much you can do, it's just one of those horrible fucks.
Oh, that looks satisfying video. Removing rust from the disc brake with a laser. Running the rust off.
Are they new discs from the pub? Or were you?
No, I never put them on.
They're the ones that came on it. Did you at least clean them up before you put them on the road?
Yeah,
What's our power versus the one?
the cheapest there was on eBay,
GTX, was it?
How much were they in British pounds?
160 quid.
Like
Same with my Polo one. Mine was
$300.
164 and 99.